Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your DELL Precision 5520 laptop. First, tap on this globe icon over here. Then enable Wi-Fi by tapping on this button if you haven't already. Tap on this arrow. Then select the network you want to connect to. If you want to enable automatic connection, check this checkbox, and once you're ready, click on Connect button. Most networks will also require a security key, so after you press the Connect button, also input the security key. And then you'll be successfully connected to a Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, let us know about it in the comments, subscribe, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.